Yes, it is. And the beautiful part of every FANUC control system out there, for the ones that have been produced for the last 15 years and plus, that these controls come automation ready. What that means is essentially you're plug and play to do some basic automation with a robot. So whether it's pick and place or some material handling, a FANUC control system, if you have one, we're ready to play, baby.
I'm here at LK Machinery. I'm standing here with Dimitry from FANUC. You know, Dimitry, I can't help but notice all the machines in this showroom have FANUC controllers. What's up with that?
And Arthur, that's such a great question. I'm so glad you asked. And really, from an end customer standpoint, you look at a machine tool, and what an important asset for your production, for your shop floor. I mean, for many customers, it's everything, right? It's the entire means of their production. And in our mind, what a great way to protect this important asset of your machine tool is to make sure that it has a FANUC control on it. Not only are you going to get the best performance out of this LK machine, and LK does a great job in working with us to make sure that we put all the right enhancements and all the right features, that we set this machine up to the most efficient and appropriate way possible for their customers to get the best performance out of it. But also on another side, another aspect of this, the service and support. You can have the prettiest control out there with the coolest, sleek and looking touchscreen, but you and I both know something is going to go wrong at all times on every life of the machine tool.
Yeah, I like to say in manufacturing, it's not if, but when something goes wrong, you got to be able to call your partners.
Exactly. And when that time happens, FANUC is there and we have your back in a multitude of ways. Just by looking at our part quality alone, our servo quality, we're top in the industry. Our mean time between failure rates are number one. So what that means for you as an end user of your machine tool, you can rest assured use it. You're going to get 20, 30 years out of your servo system before it even starts having an issue. And in those situations where an issue does tend to happen, because again, you're going to face those problems, we're also there and we have your back. We have over $1 million of inventory and spare parts in our Hoffman Estates location here in the US. So we're here outfitted to support LK machinery all around the world, but particularly here in the US as well.
That is so cool. I mean, I've used a lot of FANUC controllers in my career, 25 years in manufacturing, but actually there was an advancement a couple of years ago. FANUC just made a crazy investment in automation and controllers here in the US.
That's right. That's right. We did. So out of our greater Detroit area, we did just build a new facility, a 600,000 square foot facility, to even enhance more of our upgrades, to allow end users to step into that world of automation, bridging that gap between CNC machine tool, adding more robotics into the mix, and we're there to support as well.
Well, and I want to touch on it quickly here before we wrap up. What is the benefit when it comes to already having a FANUC controller in your machine tool, and then you want to go into automation, say with a robot with some machine tending?
Absolutely.
Because it's FANUC on that side too, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is. And the beautiful part of every FANUC control system out there, for the ones that have been produced for the last 15 years and plus, that these controls come automation ready. What that means is essentially you're plug and play to do some basic automation with a robot. So whether it's pick and place or some material handling, a FANUC control system, if you have one, we're ready to play, baby.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Dimitry, for shedding a little bit of light on what FANUC brings to the table as a partner for machine tool companies and for automation for the world.
Thank you.